ब्रांड कहिला हमें गोटे ब्रांड गोटे ना बुझुछु ता संगे गोटे लोगो आछे माने जेते एप्पल ता छडा आ कोन की एलिमेंट्स अछि जोटा गोटे बिजनेस को ब्रांड कराए
जदि मु गोटे पोटेंशियल ब्रांड निजर बिल्ड करूची खाली सुंदर लोगो करदेले हबनी।
स्टार्टअप ओडिसा स्टार्टअप को कोन बेनिफिट्स मिले
जेते स्टार्टअप चेष्टा करूनी कि मो बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल हबो सेते एफर्ट इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर्स एक्सेलरेटर्स गवर्नमेंट the entire ecosystem is moving towards startup
जेतबे जने स्टार्टअप करूची तो ब्रांड बिल्ड करबा किते इंपोर्टेंट रेवेन्यू जनरेशन
जदि तमे गोटे एस्पायर करूनो निजर बिजनेस को ब्रांड करबा पय मो रेकमेंड करी बिजनेस स्टार्ट ही करो
जो वुमेन माने चाहू चंती एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी स्टार्ट करिवो ताको पय किछि पॉक्स अच्छे के गवर्नमेंट तरफ
हम पाखरे बहुत स्कीम्स अछि बहुत बेनिफिट्स अछि व्हिच आर वेरी वुमेन सेंट्रिक बट से जिनस गुड़ाक हुए तो डाउन द लाइन वुमेन पाखक पहुँचे
आज का डेट हायरिंग बेले सर्टिफिकेट बेसी इंपोर्टेंट नि स्किल बेसी इंपोर्टेंट
डिपेंड ऑन माने को रोल पे अप्लाई करू छ
सोशल किते रोल प्ले करे गोटे ब्रांड बिल्डिंग
लोक माने भाबोती फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम कर देले हे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हे जीवो बट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इन इटसेल्फ इज 360 डिग्री
नमस्कार सनी वेस्टर्न ओडिशा को आपन को स्वागत आपन जने सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर 72 डीपीआई स्किल्स रो को-फाउंडर प्रथम हम जानिबा को चाहिबी 72 डीपीआई स्किल्स कोन आ ए जर्नी केमिति आपन स्टार्ट करथिबे
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल भाग्यश्री नमस्कार एंड ऑल माय बेस्ट विशेस टू वेस्टर्न ओडिशा एटा मोर सौभाग्य
थैंक यू
तम सांगरे आसिकी तम सांगरे तम पैशन शेयर करबी तम सांगरे तम पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्डिंग करबी आ प्लस ए माध्यम रे ओडिसा रो झियो मानको ओडिसा रे रो भौणी मानको हमें आगु को ताको इंस्पिरेशन दबो मोर जर्नी जेबे मु स्टार्ट करिथिली विथ 72 डीपीआई स्किल्स मु सेटा स्टार्ट करिथिली टू सॉल्व अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स related to marketing brand building business growth ताको हमें केमिति properly channelize करिकी भलो ब्रांड ओडिसा रु हमें स्टार्ट करि पारिबा हुए तो सेटा मोर मन रे आशा थिला बट मोर जर्नी मु बॉम्बे रु स्टार्ट करिथिली आ मते टोटल 15 इयर्स ऑफ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस अछि आ मु निजे को सक्सेसफुल कंसीडर करे ना टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज वंस यू आर सक्सेसफुल देन आपनकर आवर लाइफ रे किछि रहिला
एग्जैक्टली
तो आई एम नेवर सक्सेसफुल मे बी आई हैव गॉट छोट छोट अचीवमेंट्स मोर लाइफ रे अछि जोटा पे आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल बिकॉज जहाँ पे आप परिश्रम करिसंती आप रिकॉग्निशन पाइचंती ट्रू सेंस रे मु निज को सक्सेसफुल सेबे भाबीबी जेबे मु जोटा चाहूची करबा पई भलो भलो ब्रांड्स ओडिसा रु मु प्रोड्यूस करि पारिबी जो मानकर इंटरनेशनल रिकॉग्निशंस हे पारिबो हुए तो सेबे मु निज को सक्सेसफुल कहि पारिबी सो आई मीन आमरो बिजनेस आमे जोटा करूचु वी बेसिकली क्रिएट the entire journey of your brand marketing brand building and आपन को सपोर्ट करिवु throughout the entire process of your business excellence तो सेट पई आमे कोन कोन करूचु मे बी throughout the conversation I would love to share more information
ओके सनी आपण जेते बळे मुंबई रे थिले जॉब करले देन ओडिसा मार्केट को आसिले आज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर आपण कोन चैलेंजेस मु दीटा पर्सपेक्टिव जानिबा को चाहिबे आज ए एंटरप्रेन्योर आपण कोन चैलेंजेस फेस करले आ आज ए वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर कोन स्पेसिफिकली कोन चैलेंजेस फेस करले
सो भाग्यश्री मोर करियर मु स्टार्ट करिथिली 2010 रे सो मु ओडिसा रे मोर एजुकेशन कंप्लीट हला पर मु मैनेजमेंट करिथिली तापरे मु जेबे बॉम्बे गली एज अ मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनी ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट प्लान फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म मु शॉर्ट टर्म प्लान करे मु केबे भाबी नथली कि बॉम्बे रे हुए तो मु एते दिन सिखि पारिबे कि बॉम्बे रे मु तिष्टि पारिबे केबे भाबी नथली बिकॉज़ एवरी डे इज अ चैलेंज गोइंग टू ऑफिस इज आल्सो अ चैलेंज बट ता भितरे हमें I came across amazing people I think they have set the benchmarks very high तो जेबे 2010 रो मो स्टार्ट करिथिली मो करियर तापरे मो बहुत भलो भलो कंपनीज रे मो काम करिथिली 2015 is when I started my entrepreneurial journey with my husband we both are business partners challenges तो सबुठु बड़ थिला because there is no rule book for business and being a first generation entrepreneur there was nobody to guide us, nor in the family nor in the circles. आमे जब start करिथिलु digital marketing, all of it एते known नथिला. So the biggest challenge was how to start and how to do things right in its own way. And there was no guidebook, like I said. So ame kon golu, we took one day at a time. So we made sure that the team is right, we have the right infrastructure to start our work and everything. ଆଉ ସେ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆମେ କରି କରି ଗଲୁ, ଶିଖି ଶିଖି ଗଲୁ. ହୁଏତ ବହୁତ ରୋଡ୍ ବ୍ଲକ୍ସ ଆସିଥିଲା, we may have failed, we may not have done the right thing. ତ ସେ ଜିନିଷ ଆମେ କରି କରି ଗଲୁ and from a creative agency, but now we are a full service, end-to-end, 360-degree brand marketing agency. To answer your next question is, what are the challenges, especially as an entrepreneur, as a women? See, entrepreneurship does not look for any gender. There is no favorism that if you're a woman, you will be given a first preference, or if you're a male, you're given a first preference. Because hard work, effort, though, it is gender neutral, right? But for women, especially as a mother, yes, it is challenging. Because what happens, both are priority. Amu moro 7th month of pregnancy re mo business start karithili. So I always wanted that my business has to born before my son Ayan. So it's a very conscious decision. I said I have to do something of my own. So in fact, Amit he start karithile business, and I was kind of giving him that back end support during my maternity period. Sethi mu dekhili dinso kemti karuchanti, and I'm very much process driven because I've worked with Japanese shipping, multinational, with American companies, and they are backed by strong processes. So mu aspire kali Bhagyashree jadi mote business ku gote brand karibar achi, mote I have to take a lot of time and I have to make sure nothing has to be compromised. तो से दिन से जब मु ध्यान रे नेली, so then the lot of I have to do, as co-founder, as the business head, you can't be lot of dependent on the people around. So if you have taken that decision, you have to be standing on its own. So tame imagine kari paribo with this pregnancy, with the baby, and with those of things, and I was enjoying the process. There was no guilt. But जब छुआ जन्म हे गला, and I have to be making sure that initially the team is looking up to me, my client is looking up to me, so that I kemiti properly ame taku deliver kariba. So the biggest challenge I have faced is when we have a lot of over expectations on us. That is a lot of challenge that we take. Mu eta karibi, mu eta ei vere kari paribi. Over a period of time, as I grew with the business, over time, I realized things does not happen the way that you want. So first and foremost, the challenge that you see is when you're not prepared, when you have a lot of expectations onto yourself, and second thing is when you don't have the right subject knowledge. Before we start the podcast, people they don't know that's an alternate career. That's something that we can look up to. But say information jodi ame pakhre nahi, jodi mu se career kariba ko chahuchi, what is the right subject knowledge? So ei jo din se initially maybe ame jani nathilu ki aap eti ki preparations kariba ko pade, ki aku kariba ko this needs a right process. So maybe that was a lot of challenging, that took time. And jebe nije gadhilu bhangilu tapare gote shape hela, then we are very confident, we've got the formula. This ei kamata ko ei process re amaku kariba ko padibo. And as women entrepreneur, yes, there's the challenge that we see is that is it is very natural and very neutral. I will again not call it a challenge, Bhagyashree, because yes, there are a lot of expectations. When you get into a responsibility through marriage, through family, there's a lot of responsibility that comes into your side of things. तो जदि सेबे तमे भाबिबो कि मु तो गोटे वर्किंग वुमेन अछि, मु घर कथा काहे कि बुझिबी, and you throw tantrums, this is not what I'm supposed to be doing. Semthi hele haboni. You have to be taking care of your personal life first, then professional life. So you have to be making sure you have to understand every people who matter to you first. Yes.
किंतु अपन को लागे कि गोटे वुमेन पई टिके बेसी चैलेंजिंग हे जे लाइक गोटे माँ माँ बापा दी जन जाक पेरेंट किंतु माँ पई टिके बेसी चैलेंजिंग हे जाए घर कथा बुझिके बाहर कथा बुझिबा
बहुत हुए भाग्यश्री बिकज जेमती मु कौन भाबे कहले मु बेसी चैलेंजेस विषय कथा हुए ना छोटे एग्जांपल दोची एबे रिसेंटली आई वाज इनवाइटेड बाय कॉफी बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया सो 27th रु नै कि 25th रु नै कि 28 पर्यंत मु बेंगलोर थिली से टाइम रे पोर परीक्षा चलची हाफ ईयरली एंड लाइक आई सेड you know I have to look into every aspect तो ताको मु पढौथिली एंड स्पेशली I was not sure that mu shall I take this up because there path poda chalichi and there's something I have to be there. But when you have an understanding spouse, when you have an understanding family who je mane bujhanti ki tomoro passion kono aspirations achi kono हुए तो सेही क्षेत्र रे tomoro challenges गुडा को तुम delegate करि दियो तुम responsibilities गुडा को तुम delegate करि दियो और स्पेशली विथ women आगुरी थिला बिकॉज आमे जेबे बिजनेस स्टार्ट करिथिल 2010 रे नॉट मेनी वुमेन वेर इन द बोर्ड नॉट मेनी क्लाइंट्स वेर वुमेन आई यूज्ड टू मुजाए मीटिंग्स रे मैक्सिमम gentlemen are there and it becomes difficult because there's a lot of we have a woman who comes and gives presentation to a board full of men and women really comfortable poly ase but ebe mu dekhuchi there are a lot of women centric forums a lot of it so women understand each other with jo challenges am pakhare thila aguru eteta nahi at least at a personal that is purely my personal opinion I'm not giving a generic one but most important is yes you have to decide your priorities you have to be deciding what is more important to your life and then set the right expectation jodi family tamba important you accordingly deal with it तब पे जति काम important accordingly deal with it but kaha ko overlap karo na you have to be striking a very positive balance between both of it
एक्चुअली आम एमती भी देखुचु आजिका सोसाइटी वर्किंग वुमेन डिप्रेशन को पड़ाउछन्ती एंटी डिप्रेशन पिल खाउछन्ती किछि सुसाइड भी कर दउछन्ती हमें मैनेज करि पानो फैमिली मैनेज करि पानो किंतु फैमिली सपोर्टिव हबा दरकार जेमते आपण कहले हमें आपण कहले जेंडर न्यूट्रलिटी कथा तथापि मु कहिबी गवर्नमेंट बहुत कैंपेन चलाउछि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पई वुमेन को पई बहुत सारा स्कीम्स भी आछे सेमते वुमेन जो वुमेन माने चाहूछन्ती एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी स्टार्ट करबा तांको पई किछि पॉक्स अच्छे के गवर्नमेंट तरफ
See, Bhagyashree, as much as I'm an entrepreneur, ମୁଁ ଜଣେ trainer ବି, ମୁଁ ଜଣେ mentor ବି. कौन जिनसटे हे जाय कहलो and ମୁଁ MSME Government of Odisha, Government of India संगे I work very closely. See, maximum problem कौन हुए कहलो Bhagyashree lack of awareness. आम पाखरे बहुत schemes अच्छी, बहुत benefits अच्छी which are very women centric. But से जिनस गुड़ा को हुए तो down the line women पाखो को पहुँचे ना. तो गवर्नमेंट एनकरेज कौन करुच्ची जदि गोटे घर डेवलप हम गोटे सिटी डेवलप हम गोटे गाँ डेवलप हम ओनली व्हेन द वुमेन आर इंडिपेंडेंट स्पेशली फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट सो गवर्नमेंट जहाँ पॉक्स इनिशिएटिव्स नौचंती कारण आमे जो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करबा हमको हाथ रे कितना पैसा दरकार
एक्जेक्टली
राइट तो जदि हम पाखरे पैसा नाही हमें केमिति स्टार्ट करी हम तो काको हाथ पते पारिबुनी प्लस जो माने डिसाइड करिसंती आई वांट टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट से माने काको हाथ पतेबेनी तो जोटा मु एबे तुमको कहली कि आई वर्क विथ MSME सो मोर काम रुहे आमे जो डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ ओडिशा लाइक आई हैव कवर्ड रायगड़ा कोरापुट भद्रक जाजपुर मु जाईची ट्रेनिंग सेठी प्रोवाइड करिची सो मोर काम हैला जेते मोर ब्रांड बिल्ड करिबार अछि मार्केटिंग करिबार अछि गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड कोन कोन स्कीम्स अछि जेना गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड कोन कोन बेनिफिट्स कोन प्रोग्राम अछि बट तुम जानिबा दरकार से विषय रे मु तारो अवेयरनेस दिए एंड आमे गोटे टीम जाऊ ता विषय आमे जणा
जेते आपण फाइनेंशियल पार्ट कहले मो माइंड रे गोटे आछि कि जेते जने स्टार्टअप करे फंड रेजिंग गोटे बहुत बड़ माने ट्रबल देखा जाए कि रन करिवारे बिजनेस रन करिवारे आगो को न पारे गोटे स्टार्टअप फंड रेज केमती करि परिबो सी
Bhagyashree to your question कि आमे फंड केमती रेज करिबा फॉर आवर स्टार्टअप्स जदि ये क्वेश्चन मते हुए तो तमे 10 वर्ष पूर्व पचारि थांतो आई वुड हैव हैड अ डिफरेंट आंसर बिकॉज़ सेबे स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम एते ग्रो करे नथिला बट एबे 10 years down the line आज एबे मे 2024 रे कथा होचंती the entire world is going towards startup ecosystem the entire focus is towards building more entrepreneurship तमे you pick up any state whether it is Bombay, especially tier 1 and tier 2 cities, ସେମାନେ ପୁରା startup ecosystem develop କରିବାକୁ ମାନେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି. Plus there are a lot of investments which is coming from different fund houses. ସେମାନେ ବି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି କି ଆମେ କୋଉ startup ଉପରେ ଆମେ invest କରିବା, କୋଉ startup को ଆମେ support କରିବା ତାଙ୍କର business growth plan ରେ. जोटा कि मैं emphasize कली कि एबे हमरो entire environment, entire ecosystem is startup friendly. तो जेते startup चेष्टा करूनी कि मो business टा successful हबा, सेते effort incubation centers, accelerators, government, the entire ecosystem is moving towards startup. So it's very interesting that not anyone and everyone it's cup of tea. Let me be very honest. सबके बस की बात नहीं है. I have to be very sure if I'm starting my business, Bhagyashree, I know it needs a lot of effort from my end. जदि मु इन्वेस्टमेंट को आखिरे रखी कि गवर्नमेंट स्कीम को आखिरे रखी कि तो मु कोन करी मु बिजनेस टा को सही हिसाब रे मु ताकू ताकू सही हिसाब ताकू मु ग्रोथ प्लान करबी. बट एबे मार्केट इज सो कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड इन्वेस्टर्स हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पोटेंशियल इन्वेस्टर्स. तो जो बायर सेलर मीट जोटा होची, सो दे आर एक्सट्रीमली पर्टिकुलर कि हमें कहा ऊपर इन्वेस्टमेंट करिबु जहार गोटे ग्रोथ प्लान अछि. ता संगरे डिफरेंट फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशंस अछि, गवर्नमेंट स्पेसिफिक लोन प्रोग्राम्स अछि, लाइक मुद्रा हे गला, डिफरेंट इनिशिएटिव्स अछि, सेबी क्रेडिट फैसिलिटीज दोची एट डिफरेंट लेवल, ग्राउंड लेवल, एसएचजीस मानो को, एमएसएमईज मानो को, डिफरेंट लेवल ऑफ फंडिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज अछि. बट दे आर वेरी विजिलेंट, who you are, where you come from, what is your business model, tamo revenue model kona, growth plan kona, what is your customer centric acquisition policy, what is a marketing roadmap, how strong is the team. To say this, so prepare karla par hi I would suggest that you go for your investors. But if you go to investors and ask that more business upar आपण invest करिवे कोन दरकार, सेठी आपण कटि जी
एग्जैक्टली. स्टार्टअप ओडिसा रो स्टार्टअप को कोन बेनिफिट्स मिले?
See Bhagyashree, we are very fortunate to be living in a state जोठी हमरो government has got a lot of effort into building a startup centric ecosystem or a state. There are very healthy and a very supportive policy which is startup Odisha policy je support kare startups at a very early stage, at a mid level, or at a growth or a scale up stage. And plus, to answer your earlier question, there are a lot of women centric schemes and policies by Startup Odisha. And the entire opportunities kon achi, so they have a facility which is OHub, जोटे कि सेमाने सपोर्ट करूचंदी निजरो एंड टू एंड प्रोग्राम्स करिचंदी. प्लस जेतु आई एम आल्सो ट्रेनर विथ स्टार्टअप इंडिया एंड स्टार्टअप ओडिशा, मु निजे पर्सनली जाइकी सेठी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम भी कंडक्ट करिछि ऑन मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांड बिल्डिंग. सो मु देखिछि how active has been the government of Odisha, and I'm also excited, I'm very confident that the existing government will also have better policies, better benefits for the startups in Odisha.
आपनकर कंपनी होची मार्केटिंग, I think I am correct, marketing. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग तार गोटे पार्ट. आज का डेट रे भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को लेके तो अवेयरनेस नाही. मु एटा मो पर्सनल व्यू केना मु भी देखछु मो संग मानको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग दे डोंट नो, सम जानि भी ना डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रे एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी अछि. एक्चुअली आपण कोन देखछन्ती ओडिसा रे केते अवेयरनेस आसी गलानी जेबे आपण स्टार्ट करिथिले आ एबे भितरे?
Bhagyashree 2018 जेबे मेक इन ओडिसा कॉन्क्लेव हितिला, I specially came for that. Because like I said, मोर विजन टा स्टार्टिंग रु थिला कि जेहेतु ओडिसा रो झियो मो ओडिसा पे किछि करबा को चाहूची. मु जेबे ओडिसा छाडी के जाई थिली, when I moved to Bombay, I was not very sure कि ओडिसा रे कोन ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल अछि. But मेक इन ओडिसा रो हाइप देखि कि I specially came for this event. तो जेबे मु पूरा इकोसिस्टम टा को देखिली केमती तांकर ओडिसा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिसा कोन इंटरवेंशंस करूची, कोन तारो बेनिफिट्स रहूची, मु सेठी मु डिसाइड करली देयर इज सम सेंस आई विल गेट जदी मु एठी मोर बिजनेस टा करूची. सो 2019 रथ यात्रा रे मु बिजनेस एठी स्टार्ट करिथिली प्रभु जगन्नाथ कर आशीर्वाद रे. सेबे जेबे मु स्टार्ट करिथिली भाग्यश्री, सेबे मु जानिली कि मते सब दिन साउथरे जीरो रो स्टार्ट करबा को पड़ी, बिकॉज़ द मार्केट इज न्यू, द अवेयरनेस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. बिकॉज़ आमे बॉम्बे रे गोटे वे रे काम करिथिलु. तबे आमे जेबे बिजनेस हम ब्रांड को पोजीशन कलु ओडिसा रे आमे रियलाइज कलु खाली मार्केटिंग करले कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करले तमरो ग्रोथ टा हुए तो न होई पारे so we have to be supporting you in a 360 degree manner so 72 DPI Skills Private Limited it is a focused brand marketing agency
अच्छा
our focus is to work with those businesses which has a potential to be becoming a brand तो से जिनस करबा को लोक मानकर हुए तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रो अवेयरनेस थिला बट ब्रांड मार्केटिंग रो अवेयरनेस नथिला जदि हमें कहा संगे काम करछु तांको हेल्प करूछु बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस को भी निजको ग्रो करबा को हेले तो it has a lot of opportunities recognitions processes you have to follow तो यूजुअली कोन हुए भाग्यश्री प्रॉब्लम कोन हुए कहलो हमें हम पाखर इन्फॉर्मेशन बहुत इजीली अवेलेबल हे जाए एंड लोक माने भाबोते फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम कर देले हे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग हे जीवो बट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इन इटसेल्फ इज 360 डिग्री
अच्छा
so you understand the difference between running a 360 degree brand marketing agency plus catering to the 360 degree way of your digital marketing which involves your websites your social media your email marketing your WhatsApp marketing so every form of digital media that you consider to connect with your potential customers तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज दिन है कि मु खाली आपण मोर फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम करंतु बाकी हमें
ये गोटे पार्ट तार सोशल
it is
मीडिया
only a part so digital marketing is the entire array of your marketing which is digitally driven if something is digital then it needs to be marketed but you have to be very sure that our business needs a lot of traditional approach contemporary approach or an integration or a blend of both of it so khali digital marketing kale bhi hoboni say for example you have a store you know you want people to come and experience so you have to make some sort of marketing campaigns like offline say paribo or some sort of in store experience that's also a form of marketing plus come to real estate company also you also look for traditional way of hoardings hey gala newsletters hey gala paper hey gala media hey gala PR hey gala the list is endless so you can't be only digital media driven and you expect your customers to come to you I think gone are the days. So sabu media, sabu medium, we have to utilize to reach to our potential customers. So that thing. So say awareness ta hoy to mu jota ki upabhog kali anubhav kali Bhagyashree ki seta hote itna nahi. Set by from entrepreneurship I stepped into mentoring and training.
अच्छा
So as a trainer mo kamo kon hela mo kamo hela joti mo dekhuchi there is a lot of potential clients no be it mentoring the Southeast Asia or be it mentoring the startups from the districts of Odisha awareness thiba darkar then only you can create
awareness about brand marketing
awareness about how do you build your brand
अच्छा
which involves your marketing which includes your business processes your business models your finances केमिता पूरा financial planning करिवो so से जोड़ा तुमको मु कहली whenever I go for any MSME event है गला any sort of startup India रो किछ event है गला so we go together I take up a brand marketing session there are professionals who take up GEM registration ONDC केमिति हबो so it has to be very cohesive
सने अपन जो ब्रांड कथा कहिले उटे जेनरिक क्वेश्चन मो माइंड रे आछे ब्रांड कहिला हमें उटे ब्रांड उटे ना बुझुछु ता संगे उटे लोगो आछे माइंड जेते एप्पल ता ना आछे और लोगो ही आछे ता छडा आ कोन की एलिमेंट्स अछि जोटा उटे ब्रांड को ब्रांड कराय उटे बिजनेस को ब्रांड कराय
I think your question has the answer अपन एप्पल ही काहे की कहले maybe the logo is interesting fine so brand is just not the logo logo is the visual identity it's basically like my name is Soni your name is Bhagyashree it's basically just a name but how you made me comfortable what kind of quality services you're providing what information you have about your business and what impact you give back to the society not just as a business but also as an individual jodi mo business ta ko mu lead koruchi so I have to be making sure my processes are very well aligned my customer at the end of the day they vouch for me in terms of quality in terms of customer experience in terms of end to end if I'm interacting with my customer and if I'm jodi mu gote potential brand nijero build koruchi खाली सुंदर लोगो करदेले हबनी मते सबु एंगल टाको डील करबा को पड़िबो जदि मते निजको ब्रांड करबा को पड़िबो सेति पई आमे जदि खाली डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी हेई थांतो भाग्यश्री आमे खाली तमरो डिजिटल चैनल्स टाको ग्रो करि थांतो पर जेहेतु आमे गोटे ब्रांड मार्केटिंग एजेंसी आमे चेष्टा करू सबु दिनसो इट हैज टू बी वेरी मच कंसिस्टेंट एंड इंटीग्रेटेड तमर खाली फाइनेंसिस टाको स्ट्रांग कर देले हबोनी कि रेवेन्यू मॉडल टाको स्ट्रांग कर देले हबोनी प्रोसेस तमर नाही there is no auditing in place so everything has to be concentrated so that we can clearly focus on your brand growth
आपण जेंत कहले 360 डिग्री सब बळे नजर रखिबा पड़िबो सब क्षेत्र रे गोटे ब्रांड बिल्डिंग रे सोशल मीडिया रे केते आपण तो कहिले भी सोशल मीडिया गोटे पार्ट किंतु मो एटा जानिबा को चाहूची सोशल मीडिया केते रोल प्ले करे गोटे ब्रांड बिल्डिंग सिबे गोटे सोशल मीडिया रे चलची के इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग तो सेटा भी कोन मो टिक एक्चुअली जानिबा को चाहिबे
correct see so Bhagyashree what happens ame jebe website ta ko ame develop kari saru so that is a non negotiable part of your business or your digital marketing so social media social marketing is a way that you connect with your customers almost every single day you know what you talk what you present and how you communicate plus how do you identify your influencers how do you identify so जदि मु गोटे सस्टेनेबिलिटी ब्रांड ऊपर मु डील करे धरंतु मु गोटे यू नो आई डील अबाउट कॉफी लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कॉफी जदि मु किछि कॉफी सेंट्रिक ब्रांड करूची एंड आई टॉक अबाउट सस्टेनेबिलिटी नीड नॉट मोर इन्फ्लुएंसर जी थाई परंती से कॉफी रो भी रहिबे भी दरकार भी नाही बट से सस्टेनेबिलिटी एनवायरनमेंट ऊपर कथा ही परचंती ही और शी बिकम्स माय यू नो इन्फ्लुएंसर हे गला कि सेलिब्रिटी हे गला सो सोशल मीडिया इज द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट element of your customer interaction because jaha jaha apanko enquiries ase jaha jaha apanko you know interactions ase social media ro hi ase to jodi apanko jodi social media active nahi hoy to you know your customer will not will be hesitant you know so bhabibe ki are they active page active nahi information is not very clear the creatives are very disjoint can I trust them you know it's like how you speak you may be dressing very well you know you may be very presentable but how you speak is your social media how you communicate is your social media and how you present yourself every single day is your social media
गोटे स्टार्टअप रे गोटे जेतबे जने स्टार्टअप करूची सेता ब्रांड बिल्ड करबा कितना इंपोर्टेंट रेवेन्यू जनरेशन पे
I think जदि तमे गोटे एस्पायर करूनो निजर बिजनेस टाको ब्रांड करबा पई वो रेकमेंड करी बिजनेस स्टार्ट ही करना then you're not an entrepreneur you're a business person so you have to understand the difference between an entrepreneur and a business जदि मु निजको एस्पायर करूची गोटे ब्रांड करबा को हेले माने कोन people will trust me if there is a trust as a very major factor tell me will anybody not be interested to invest जदि मु बिजनेस टाको बिजनेस आकार करूची so will you be interested to invest you will not be तमे जदि को कंपनी रे भी शेयर भी किनुच forget even and as a potential investor तुम शेयर भी किनुच तमे भाबी होबी किनिबो कि I need to trust those companies जदि कहा पर तुम इन्वेस्ट करूच as angel investor you have to be making sure that you know do they have the potential to be a brand then only you will invest or else you will not waste your you know your wealth or your money in terms of your investments
ब्रांड रे बहुत नेगेटिव पब्लिसिटी भी हमें देखो गोटे ब्रांड को केमिति हैंडल करबा दरकार सेही टाइम रे पर्टिकुलरली सेही टाइम रे
so Bhagyashree what we do basically is we need to keep a lot of control हमें जे कोनसी कहबिनी जहाँ संगे हम एसोसिएट करूचंती जो बिजनेस संगे एसोसिएट करूछु हमें मेक श्योर करू दैट द पॉलिसीज आर वेरी स्ट्रांगली you know curated every policy is your terms and condition disclaimer and everything is in place so that if any negativity comes which I don't have a control which is no way done I will be able to take action this is one part so it is important for any business who aspire to be a brand to take care of all the legalities well before in place so whenever you have a negativity or any some sort of crisis that you have got into it is important that you speak through a legal approach if there is a problem take time to deal with it don't just go up and you shout and make things difficult for everyone jodi kichi challenging situations achi there is different is a legal framework. So go behind, a very capable legal advisor, and then accordingly deal with it. And then it is better to keep your mouth shut than talking otherwise. Take your time to respond, because that is where I may be sounding a little contradictory. Social media is to be very active, but there jibes apanko crisis situation thai Bhagyashree, it is important that you take time, gather all the evidences and then respond. Jodi apan thorofru kichi bhul heichi, it first and foremost beg an apology कि it ଆମ ତରଫରୁ we accept, ଆମ ତରଫରୁ ଭୁଲଟା ହେଇଛି, but we will make sure that it is not repeated, and this is what assurance the customer expects. ଧରନ୍ତୁ କିଛି quality issues ଅଛି, there is something that which has come up, it's being reported against you and you have no control, and people are talking about it. So to deal with it, first and foremost is understand what is the gravity of the problem and how and when you have to respond. If not, it is right to take a legal advice, तापर जिनसटा को प्रॉपर्ली और सिस्टमैटिकली डील करो, ना कि नॉइज करो.
सनी गोटे सस्टेनेबल मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी केते हेल्प करे गोटे लॉन्ग टर्म बिजनेस रा सक्सेस पई, लॉन्ग टर्म सक्सेस पई एक्चुअली.
So Bhagyashree, brands are not built overnight. It takes time. So every business who aspires to be a brand, the marketing only has to be sustainable. There cannot be a short-term marketing approach. So आमे जहाँ का संगरे कामो करो, that is where we support them. That first is your vision, the long-term plan, and then it is very much important that you have to keep the sustainability. Sustainability माने कौन? Business को sustain करे but through generations. तो मैं किसी समय पूर्व Apple विषय कहलो. Apple was not built yesterday. It took time, and we name the few brands that we deal with it every single day. It was built through generations. So every business, every brand which aspires to be, going long term, you have to be very much sustainable. It's just not about what your business model is all about, but also what impact that you have in your community, in the environment, and also to the people that you serve. Then only you will be appreciated over generations.
मार्केटिंग एक्सीलेंस अचीव करिवारे गोटे बिजनेस को कोन चैलेंजेस मेनली देखा जाए?
This is a very good question, So आमे जदि गोटे बिजनेस एस्पायर करूची to be first पहले गोटे बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस, तापर आसुची मार्केटिंग एक्सीलेंस. The basic challenges that a business may encounter is first and foremost is the time. So if I want my business to be getting into business excellence or a marketing excellence, it has to be there with a test of time. Okay, and then there's a lot of things that you have to be saying no. जदि मते बिजनेस टा को गोटे ब्रांड करिवार अछि, गोटे बिजनेस एक्सीलेंस भी करिवार अछि, तो मते मल्टीपल फैक्टर जो गुडा को मोर स्टेक होल्डर्स होची, one of them is sustainability as a factor. I would feel that nothing should be compromised, and there has a different standard of operations, quality, different recognition comes. तो जब भी यदि तुम्हें business टा को it gets into a marketing excellence or a business excellence, then you are a very aspirational business. So you just cannot be focusing only one part. Say for example, I'm leading a focused brand marketing agency. I will not only focus on my marketing thing, but I will always focus on if I would like my business to be, getting into a business excellence opportunity. Jaha jaha more multiple factors rohochi. How am I contributing towards the next generation through training? How am I supporting the existing entrepreneurs through mentoring? So pura facet taku mate dekhibaku padibo, and everything has to be top notch. So why I was interested to be a part of Stanford Seed program or Women in Big Data is basically to understand what happens in international level. And then only I can claim, I understand what happens in Stanford as an educational hub. Maybe say दिन सो जो दिन मु एठी जो business schools संगरे कामो करूची, जो incubation centers संगरे कामो करूची, जो startups मानकर संगरे कामो करूची, मो तांको से growth plan हमें help करी पारिबो. So Bhagyashree, where we come into play as an agency is so that you don't get more challenges. So we help you prepare more. ଯଦି ଆମେ ନିଜକୁ ସେତିକି train, ସେତିକି exposure ନ କରି ପାରିବା, then when we go to you, you will ask me, Sonia, I want to be recognized as the business excellence. Then okay, wait, let me understand kaun karibo. So the lot of pressure is on us that we have to be very much informed to be talking to our clients. So when they don't find us in the level, they may not be interested to be working with us. But when you have to be proving a level up so that they know there is something I can look up to with that partnership. So just to answer your question very briefly, there are a lot of challenges. First is a test of time. Second is there's a lot of things that you have to say no in terms of not compromising with the existing situation. Third is international standard of operations and how do you claim your business to be getting into that aspirations. And fourth is the quality and the customer centricity. So and then only you will be regarded like Tatas. They are the pioneers of your business excellence. You pick up any vertical of Tata. You will not feel that Tata or Nuha. You pick up any, the soft and the hard part of it. You pick up TCS, you pick up Tata Motors, you'll feel the same experiences throughout. That's what I call a business excellence.
So, in Skill India Digital, you are a master trainer. What key responsibilities are skill development?
Bhagyashree, skill is a part of me. It's something which is not separate from me, because my name of the company is 72 DPI Skills, and the S is replaced with Z. It's SKILLZ. So with Z is basically the power of infinity. So when I come back, as an enterprise to take more responsibility as a trainer, jebe moro selection hela as a master trainer with Skill India Digital, moro ita bahut boda responsibility. Gotela gote entrepreneurial side of things, second is a trainer side of things. Gote mote business dekhebaku paduchi, gote moro ecosystem build karibaku paduchi. So more responsibility into skill development is not only limited to Skill India Digital, but also whatever that I do, skilling is a main component. Just to give you a small brief and understanding is, skill is a skill is a combination of your technical and non-technical, the hard and soft side of things. Jodi gote kamo karibaku, it demands that specific nature of your technical skills. Say kamo karibaku, you need a specific side of your soft skills. So whenever I go for any skill development program, any skilling program, what is the problem I'm going to solve? Am I solving the technical side of things, or I'm solving the soft side of things, like behavioral part of it, the other dimensions, of your business vision, of your values and everything. So जब हम skill India से काम करें, so there is a process, there is a guideline we have to follow. But how we deliver it is basically basis of our expertise and our experience. तो मोर इंटरवेंशन टा खाली स्किल डेवलपमेंट टा खाली स्किल इंडिया डिजिटल पे नहीं, बट जो भी हमें काम करूँ एज एन इंडिविजुअल, एज अ मेंटर, एज अ ट्रेनर, एज अ एजेंसी, स्किलिंग इज द फर्स्ट एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. सो आम जहाँ संगे काम करूँ, से क्लाइंट करो, टीम मान करो, व्हाट लेवल ऑफ स्किल आपण मते आगुरु पचारिले कि सोनी द लॉट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स who don't have a lot of skills into digital marketing. Forget about startups. A lot of clients, a team, semane ichha karibe, they come with a proposal, we want to do digital marketing. The team does not have a skill to take it up. So we collaborate with them, we train them. This is how it's supposed to be done. And then it becomes a lot of learning process.
Aji ka date re hiring mere certificate base important ne skill base important?
Hiring specific
hiring ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସ୍କିଲ୍ସ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ सर्टिफिकेट ନାହିଁ, ନା ଦିଟା ଯାକ 50-50 important.
सो भाग्यश्री डिपेंड ऑन तमे को रोल पे अप्लाई करूछ. धरतु मोर गोटे कस्टमर फेसिंग रोल अछि, ओके, सेठी मोर लॉट ऑफ स्किलिंग कम्स इनटू, बिकॉज़ आई हैव टू बी ट्रेन्ड टू बी टॉकिंग टू माय कस्टमर्स. बट if there are some sort of very hard skills that demands me to be qualified enough, certified enough to be running that program, I have to be like, I need to have that certificate to be talking to you. I have the certifications into that particular capacity, right? So more khetrare, more experienced, I think both are very important, because whether you're skilled or not, you have to be certified. I'm that skilled. I'm that skilled, and my certificate, gives me that recognition. So it is not only certificate. बट स्किल ओनली कम्स इनटू प्ले जोटा कि तमरो एक्सपीरियंस अगर आसीबो ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग अछि कि नाही just not only a blank certificate, it has to be come skill.
स्किल्स एक्जाक्टली आमे बैक कैमरा रे कथा होतले आज भी लोक आज भी पिला आज का जनरेशन भी जानते हमें डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को प्रोफेशन करि पारेबा सेथरे एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज अछि तो आर कोन तरीका अछि माने कोन कोन स्किल्स दरकार डिजिटल मार्केटिंग रे एंटर करिया पे एम्प्लॉयड होगा पे
आई थिंक भाग्यश्री सेटा मोर मेजर प्रॉब्लम मो फेस करली जेबे मो बॉम्बे रु ओडिशा आसिली कारण there's a lot of skill gap I faced because you know Bombay the level of interactions that we have people exactly know what they're supposed to do you know they're very clear that and there is very experienced market but जब मैं भुवनेश्वर आसिली of course I had that gap and I was always trying to solve कि gap टा को मैं कैसे bridge करेगी if any student you know any professional there are students who are changing their career into digital marketing there are also professionals who are changing their career pratham and most important is basically for digital marketing रे मतलब कौन करिवार अछि like I said it's the digital marketing in itself is 360 degree so whether you would like to be running campaigns whether you would like to be running managing the websites the content part of it or the search engine marketing or the email marketing so in our agency we have specific professionals who deal with specific scope of work तो हमको आगे आपन को जानिबार अछि कि मोर स्किल टा कोन is my skill is more of a design centric or is my skill is more of a content centric data hi amaro or I am into technical side of things you know I am into development side of things and I can build technologies so once I identify that area of opportunity Bhageshri से हिसाब रे मते निजे को अपस्किल करबा को अछि because now you see that every single moment there is a change of technology there is new interventions happening in the entire digital world so whether then I'll be getting into courses I will be getting into certifications I will be getting into different programs which will help me in upskilling and then I think most of the education institutions IIMs you know and the IIMs of the world the IITs of the world have also integrated digital marketing into the curriculum you know एबे एमिति नाही कि आपण खाली टेक्निकल पढुचंती आपण सब बिजनेसेस हाउसेस रे सब एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऊपर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग को बहुत गुरुत्व दिया होची
हां स्पेशली ए लास्ट 5 इयर्स
दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड नो मु जेबे करियर स्टार्ट करिथिली इट वाज नथिंग आई एम टेलिंग यू इट वाज नथिंग आमे जेको न निजे भांगिलु गढिलु तापरे दिनस को ठिया करूछु एबे जदी मु पचारि इफ somebody even asking me that question then I said the person is not digitally active if you're not digitally active then you will be asking me Soni mu kaun start karibi but there are other questions which comes to me that's when there's so much of scope of work in digital marketing how do I know that where do I have to start then we come back we do a skill analysis you know where do you stand what is your education qualification ko chakri re ame ko business opportunity re ame dekhu taro growth plan achi so is now that we're talking about AI machine learning there's a lot of advanced things so how capable you are in terms of getting into those fields
એટલે એથી ଗୋଟେ ક્વેશ્ચન મતે કહે જેમતી ઇન્જિનિયર હવા ପାଇଁ મતે ઇન્જિનિયરિંગ କରିବାର ଅଛି બીટેક କରିବାର ଅଛି ସେମିତି ଡିଜିଟାଲ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ରେ ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଏଣ୍ଟର କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ତାର ବେସିକ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଦରକାର ମିନିମମ୍ କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ କ'ଣ ରହିବା ଦରକାର
see different capacities in Rohuchi, Bhagisha, and also what level of digital marketing that you can do. Usually we recommend that digital marketing is now getting into mainstream, but generally a management skill is very important because digital marketing in itself is a very skill. So I would not recommend a 12th or a graduate person to start into a digital marketing and everything. I would recommend a professional who has undergone, completed entire courses, specifically what we encourage is graduation kala pare then you have a subject matter knowledge and plus tame jo professional skills bhi kon karo tome diploma karo ki degree karo it demands your pre qualifications so what level of marketing skills that you get into and then it demands and most important is performance marketing so when you do performance marketing it's a lot of about numbers so if you're a student of economics so you understand those numbers you understand those experience and exposure of things. But if you're just a 12th or, you may do over a period. I'm not saying that you can't do, but usually as we prefer and as we encourage is, when you have your educational qualification, digital marketing then you learn better. And you have a shorter learning curve. नले तुमको गोटे लॉन्ग लर्निंग कर्व तुम हो पारे।
सोनी आपण ओडिसा रे भी काम करछंती आप कहतले आपण बाहर भी काम करछंती इंडिया बाहर भी काम करछंती मेजरली कोन डिफरेंस देखछंती ओडिसा आ बाहर
भाग्यश्री 2018 जेबे मु आसिली ओडिसा रे काम करिबा पई setting up my office here, my business here. First is I was not very sure केमती मु कोन करिबी केमती दिनसटा को लेवल रे अच्छी एसोसिएशंस एंड एवरीथिंग मते बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म भी आसीथिला माने पागल के बॉम्बे छाड़ी कि तू ओडिसा आसु ओडिसा रे किछि नाही काहे कि तू करूचु किछि हेई पारिबोनी होय तो से बॉम्बे रे करी पारलानी सेट में से ओडिसा so lot of criticism I got but I was very sure what I was doing I'm not opinionated, I'm not judgmental, I exactly know what I was doing. Odisha re as an ecosystem it's a very growing economy, it's a very growth taro Odisha ta growth phase re achi, it's not a developed as a state, especially Bhubaneswar is not, it's an ever growing city. So it is very much important to work at a place where there is a lot of growth opportunities. So growth opportunities hele, then you can be a partner to the growth opportunities. You will not reap the benefits of a developed economy. You will be a partner to it. So yes, there has been significant gap in terms of the market understanding about branding, brand building, more darkar nahi, additional income, additional investment mate karibako padibo, darkar habo ki. So yes, there was a lot of preparations I have to do before I open up a conversation with a potential client. तांको आगे मते बुझीबा को पड़िबो व्हाट इज द मार्केट लुकिंग लाइक जदि मोर बाहर एक्सपीरियंस न थांता इफ आई डिडंट हैव द एक्सपोजर ऑफ वर्किंग विथ कंपनीज बेस्ड इन यूरोप इन एशिया हुए तो मुझे से डिफरेंस और गैप टा देखि न परथांती दैट जदि हमें गोटे इंटरनेशनल सेंट्रिक बिजनेसेस होचंती हमको से हिसाब रे कामटा करबा को पड़िबो जदि हमें लोकलाइज्ड काम करूचंती देन आई कैन बी वेरी लोकलाइज्ड हमें अप्रोच करि पारिबा with the digital world being at the center stage आमे कोन कलु खाली ओडिसा रे स्किल डेवलपमेंट आमे फोकस न करिकी आमे कोन कलु वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ स्किल एक्वायर माने जेमती मोर टीम मेंबर्स बाहर रहउचंती they come and give training to my team members here what is the potential gap and को दिन समय करि परिबा so yes there has been a significant growth that I have seen Odisha रे 2015 ru 18 ru aji parjanta and Odisha is doing wonderful in terms of lot of very respectable IT companies asuchanti आगो को भी बहुत सुंदर हमको अपॉर्चुनिटीज अच्छी प्लस एबे हमर उत्कर्ष ओडिसा बहुत कमिंग ईयर हमर जेती आमे सेटा प्लान करिसंती गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिसा होय तो सेठी हमर और सुंदर पोटेंशियल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आसीबो भलो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आसीबो इन टर्म्स ऑफ lot of startups will be interested to open up their offices in Bhubaneswar. So I'm very confident about Odisha in terms of growth. So जो gap गुड़ा अच्छी is important that we work on those gap. जो problem टा जदि 3 वर्ष अच्छी तो सेटा तो एबे काम न करूची so then there will be ever widening of gap. So there's a lot of interventions that happening on this lines.
सुने आमे बैक कैमरा भी कथा होतले अपन तो ब्रांडिंग कथा कहतले हम बहुत फोकस कर दोछंती डिजिटली ऊपर किंतु फिजिकल ब्रांडिंग किबा जो ट्रेडिशनल ब्रांडिंग मार्केटिंग ता ऊपर हम टिके बेले बेले कम फोकस करते हैं एक्चुअली फिजिकल ब्रांडिंग जोटा अपन कहले किबा फिजिकल मार्केटिंग सेटा केते इंपोर्टेंट आजि का डेट रे कारण डिजिटलाइजेशन दुनिया चलची एआई रो दुनिया चलची आजि का डेट रे फिजिकल ब्रांडिंग फिजिकल मार्केटिंग ब्रांडिंग आई थिंक मु बोल कहूची फिजिकल मार्केटिंग केते इंपोर्टेंट
So Bhagyashree, as an agency, what we focus is customer service. Marketing, branding is only a way and mean to identify who are your potential customer service. आपण जेते सुंदर मार्केटिंग करंतु जेते सुंदर ब्रांडिंग बिजनेस रे करंतु जदि आपण कस्टमर सर्विस टे सेते सुंदर नाही देन यू विल नॉट हैव अ कस्टमर रिटेंशन. सो एटा गोटे 360 डिग्री এটা গোটে এন্টায়ার এক্সপেরিয়েন্স ইন এন্ড আউট এভরিথিং হ্যাজ টু বি ভেরি মাচ अलाइंड. তো আমি খালি ডিজিটাল মার্কেটিং রে ফোকাস করিবা কিন্তু প্রসেস স্ট্রিমলাইন করিবানি. So we don't have that mechanism to take care of our customers. So it is important, it has to be 360 degree when you aspire to be a brand which looks forward to be a business excellence. it has to be definitely non-negotiable. You have to take care of a customer, every single point in time, as much as you would want, the kind of service to be offering to them. Yeah.
एक्चुअली এটা সেମିତି ଆମ বেসটা তো ସବୁବେଳେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ହେଇକି ରହିବା ଦରକାର
Absolutely.
ଦେନ୍ ଆମେ କେତେ ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଟା ମ୍ୟାଟର
Absolutely, absolutely.
ଆପଣ 72 DPI ସ୍କିଲ୍ସ କୁ 5 ବର୍ଷ ପରେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି?
um, I love this question and I want to really talk about it. ମୁଁ ଯେବେ 2018 ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଆସିଥିଲି ତ ମୁଁ ଚାହିଁଥିଲି କି ନେକ୍ସଟ 5 ଇୟର୍ସରେ ମୋର ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଥିଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ 5 ଇୟର୍ସର ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଏଜ୍ ଏଷ୍ଟାବ୍ଲିଶ ହେଇକି ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଦ ବିଜନେସ୍ ଦ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡ ଟୁ ବି one of the trusted marketing agencies in Odisha. So ତମେ ଯଦି ମୋର social media handles ବି ଲେଖିବ ସେଟା ମୋର banner ରେ ଅଛି to build the most trusted marketing agency of the place that we operate. Okay, that is a non-negotiable. So next 5 years down the line, Bhagyashree, is what I'm investing into. Not only be the delivery center, but also making sure that we take care of our customers, our the students and everything 360 degree, which includes your training, mentoring, and hand holding. जितनी भी अपन को awareness हो, जितनी भी campaigns हो, जहाँ भी हो, the question will be still there. How do I start? And I need a very strong hand holding support. So the kind of network I have acquired for the last 15 years into professional experience, I would like them to be giving back to our society. So I'm going very, going stronger, growing stronger into solving the entire marketing problems, business problems across the channel, not only as an agency perspective, but be there supporting them into their business excellence. So I hope and I pray. So by 2030 or maybe before that, I should be able to taking care of the entire array of your marketing, training, brand building, mentoring, hand holding, the supporting the right technology. It should be the one-stop solutions for all your marketing and branding needs.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ପଚାରିବି 72 DPI ସ୍କିଲ୍ସ ନିଜ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକି କ'ଣ ଭାବେ?
So interestingly, Bhagyashree, personally, I'm a very emotional person. They say that you have to be very practical, this and that. But I think as leader we should be very much empathetic. We should be human. So employees are a part and parcel of our life. आज हमें जहाँ अच्छु, जोटी अच्छु, जो स्तर रे अच्छु, जो position रे हमें अच्छु, is purely with the people that we work for. Purely for the people that we work with. जो माने आम संगे काम करिसंती, जो माने आम संगे काम करूचंती, होते करि सारचंती, they have moved on depending on that, but they have been our patrons. मते बहुत खुशी लगे आम संगे जे काम करिसंती, they have moved on to different roles, different companies. They are the cheerleaders. See, existing employees तो obviously मु भलो कहिबी, but जो माने आम संगे थिले, आम संगे काम करिथिले, आम संगे थिले, but they are always grateful. Soni, we are very much happy to be working with you and Amit, and the team is wonderful. But because of these reasons that we have to move on. But nahale, I'm looking forward to be creating a more human team who are kind, who are empathetic, who understand integrity, so that amo to jai ki bhi koti kamo karuchanti, they don't compromise on those leadership skills. So I try to create more Amit and Soni in the team. Whether they are there with me or not there with me, but से जो बासनाटा, से जो काम करिबार पैशन, पागलामी, भल पाइबा समस्त भितर थाओ, और जहाँकर न थाए the energy is so impactful ना, से तादर सबु drive है कि पड़ान, तो मते effort लगे ना. So I have to just take care of my people. I have to be understanding them, listening to them, where they are, what they need. And then they do the job, and I have to be making sure that the right client comes to my team. That is my responsibility.
आपण लीडरशिप कथा कहले एम्प्लॉय मानक पई ते भलो चिंताधारा आपण हम बहुत अप्रिशिएट करछु सेटा को कोन आपण सॉर्ट ऑफ 3 लीडरशिप क्वालिटी लर्न करचंती एते वर्षर जर्नी रे?
I think summarizing to 3 words is very difficult, let me tell you. कारण एते दिन सब मो सिखी छी, मो काम मते सिखै छी. सबुटु biggest compliment I have received, Bhagyashree, is my patience. Because marketing agencies are very aggressive. They want things like, this. They don't have, but I have a lot of patience. That is what I have appreciated the growth I have first. And second thing is empathy. I have to be understanding who I work with, or clients manako sangare. What are the problem points? To what deep I think about that. What is the people that we work with? Amar sangare kon partners mane achanti. So I have to be empathizing enough to be understanding where they stand, what is the impact of the problem. And third is resilience. I have to be coming back. So Aji, like as you opened the conversation, you're a successful, entrepreneur and all of it. Tomorrow I may not be, doing that well, which I'm doing it today. But I know that day after tomorrow, I'll come back stronger. So the three things that I have actually learned is my patience, my empathy, and third is resilience. So these are my top three. And other things are anyways,
ଆଉ ତିନିଟା ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ କହିବେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣିରୁ ଲର୍ନ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ ନୂଆ ଏଣ୍ଟରପ୍ରେନ୍ୟର ସେମାନେ ସେ ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ଆଭଏଡ୍ କରିବା ଦରକାର।
God, ତମେ ମତେ ତିନିଟା ପଚାରୁଛ।
ଆଉ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ହିଁ କହିଦେବେ।
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, I'll stick to three. ପ୍ରଥମ again ଯୋଉଟା ମୁଁ ଶିଖିଛି ସେଟା obviously that mistake I had, then only ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି these are things I cannot compromise. First is patience. The biggest mistake that I have had is I went with the flow. ମତେ ଆଜି ଦରକାର, then I have to put the pressure on my team. ଏଟା ଅଛି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିବାର ଅଛି and all of it. Setting wrong expectations. Be very sure ସେଟା କାଲି ହବ ନାହିଁ, ଏଟା ବହୁତ ଦିନ ହବ। ଯଦି ତମେ ସେଇ ସୋନି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତ ହୁଏତ 7-8 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ, I'm like, no, we do things like this. We are very smart. We can be the best in the industry. But that is what we were taught. I'm going to sikha heichi. So when we go and perform, we exactly perform what we are taught. You are the best. Nobody can beat you, that. And you have to be very fast. There's no patience I had. I definitely have no patience. But then I learned no. That's the biggest mistake and then learning. Second thing is, I need numbers. The numbers have to be, very much there. And I don't care. Mate kamo darkar. Kemiti korche, I don't care. Go anyways and means, and I want the work. Okay, which we were told, जोटा कि हमको business से सिखाई थिला कि हमें जानी थिलो कि we have to be number driven. But then realized no, we have to be people driven. So I have to have my empathy. Again, the mistake that I did is I thought I want to be successful overnight. I एते भले कंपनी काम करूची, एते भले experience मोर अछि, I don't have any disqualifications to be not successful. So first is my lack of my patience that I had was my biggest mistake. Second thing is not being empathetic. And third thing is, sorry gala, ita hellani, maybe amadora na hi pare, ame kari paribani, oh shit, COVID happened. The biggest lesson is, it brought everybody under the same level. But everybody, some could rise, some could not. And those attitude that we had is resilience. So ye jo tinta mu tumko qualities कहली, maybe say mistakes ta mu karithili boli, then I realized no, yahi hai, eta hi achi. These are things: patience, your empathy, and your resilience. So jahan bhi mu sikhi chi, like it's a very self learned business, Bhagyashree, and it is something that is made me who I am today.
Exactly,
right?
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ପେସେଣ୍ଟ ଥିବେ, ଏମ୍ପାଥେଟିକ୍ ଥିବେ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯେ କାମ ବି କରୁଥିବ ସେ ବି ବହୁତ ହ୍ୟାପି ହେବ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ କ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଟ ବି ବହୁତ ହ୍ୟାପି ହେବ।
Absolutely.
Happy customer, happy clients, happy employees, happy founder, everything is happy. ସୋନି, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଇକି ଏତିକି ଜାଣିଲି ଯେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯେ କାମ କରୁଥିବେ ସେ ବି ଖୁସି ହେଉଥିବେ, happy clients, happy employees, ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି ସେମିତି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ରୋଲ ମଡେଲ ଭାବରେ ଭାବୁଥିବେ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରୋଲ ମଡେଲ କିଏ?
So Bhagyashree, you know what? Entrepreneurship has changed my perspective about life and people. I think for me, the biggest role model I consider is my grandfather, Moja. Mo tanko bahut manne. Because whatever qualities that I've inherited, I have inherited from him. Like, especially Moja, tab ne mo ai. और ता संगरे मो बहुत grateful है भी मो parents मानो, both my father and my mother. While my father has taught me to not look back, जहाँ भी करिबो best करिबो. Interestingly, ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏସନ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ କଲି and I actually scored a good rank in the university with zoology honors. I wanted to be doctor. But my father said that ଆମ ଘରୁ ଡକ୍ଟର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର କି ହେବେ ନାହିଁ. ମାନେ you can imagine କ'ଣ ସେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ଥିବ ଘରେ. And then trend was like ଡକ୍ଟର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଝିଅ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି ପୁଅ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି. But he said
ସ୍ପେଶାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟାଇମରେ ତ ଡକ୍ଟର ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟର ଦିଟା ହି ପ୍ରଫେସନ ଥିଲା.
yes, and if not IAS officers, you know, civil service, UPSC, because because every parent has that aspirations, and I could not, and more oil baba kale to karibu nahi. I'm like, what kind of father he is? He's asking me not to be studying medicals. He's like, if you want to be carpenter, be the best of it. If you want to be to you be a gardener, be a best of it, and have very high hopes. On the contrary, my mother bo kon kahila, be grounded. You know, always whatever that you do, should you remember you had those tough times. So those two things, no, Bhagyashree, that really helped me to keep my head very high, and also to be very rooted to where I come from. And I think they have been my greatest role model. Yes, there are a lot of people I look up to in work. You know, I pay attention to every conversation. You know, if the potential client does not inspire me, does not have a very striking conversation, we generally don't associate. You know, you have to inspire me. You have to look up to. You know, anko pe ame kamo koruchu. You know, so that I can very proudly say that ame jahan pe brand build koruchu, they have the potential to be the brands of Odisha or the brands of India. So I see aspirations, inspirations from everyone I deal with. That keeps me going. But my strongest role models will be my grandparents and my parents. So without them, I wouldn't have been. I think they are there with me every single day. And watching your parents in action, you know, and whatever they say, he still do this. You know, he's very disciplined. My mother is very organized. You know, she'll make mane both best to kari pako. Eta kai helani tu kallu. She'll be behind me. To commitment karuchi mane pura karibu. Kahin kallu ni. That's where things happens. Yeah.
सनी आपन आइडियल विषय कथा होतले आपन बहुत बढ़िया कहिले भी कि तो मोर एटा पर्सनल क्वेश्चन पर्सनल आपन को पई मु निजे देखि जे कि सोनी सामल गोटे ब्रांड हिसाब रे मु आपन को जर्नी फर्स्ट रोल एबे पर्यंत भी देखु छी आपन गोटे ब्रांड हिसाब रे मु भी देखि छी मार्केट रे मजन कहले तुम सोनी सामल लो काहे पॉडकास्ट करनो तो मु तांको कहली अरे सी मो भौणी अरे सीरियसली तुम सोनी सामल लो भौणी माने मु सोनी सामल को भी ब्रांड हिसाब रे मार्केट रे देखु छी त आपन निजे को केमे देखछन
Oh my goodness, that's a tough question. You know, Bhagyashree, I have, you know, I see myself, Prathame, and the first and foremost is as a nice human being. You know, for me, ja niju ko aji dekhi chi, because you know, I would really give a lot of credit to the experiences that I've had in life, both life and death and everything. I want to be a good human being first. Wherein who understands who understands emotions, who understands you know conversations, who is impartial. Yes, जेहेतु मैं ब्रांड मार्केटिंग एजेंसी को लीड करे ड्राइव करे, it's very important that I also conduct myself in a way that which is good for the business, good for the client, good for the impact. Mo nijuku dekhe somebody who is very prepared. You know, I don't want to go under prepared, and also to create the right impact, because entrepreneurship is something that you leave a lot of impressions. You know, like tame jemti kahilo, people know about me and everything. So when I go for any events and I collect my awards or something, I see a lot of people cheering for me. I don't know why. You know, the ground staff, you know, lot of people are there, they're hooting for me, and I'm like, when did this happen? You know, I really want people to know someone that that she is very approachable, but she does not take no for an answer. Okay, she's very open to conversation, but she exactly know what she wants to talk to. And yes, and I would like to be the pride for my parents first, to be the pride for my family, to be the pride for my state, and of course, you know, my region, my country, and somebody who has made her life worth a living. निज किसी चेष्टा करके गोटे ऊपर को जाइए कि को लेवल रे पहुंची प्लस आउ लोक मान को भी सी हाथ बढ़े कि सपोर्ट करके
Support
ऊपर को
करिछि।
आनी सो आई वांट समबडी यू नो to be as loving, as kind, as empathetic, as nice, you know, and as bold in terms of taking risk. And yeah, I mean, as somebody who enjoys every single day, for me every day has to be adventurous. If every day is boring, I know something is going wrong. So for me, I see myself as the way that you see me today. And yeah, that's thank you for the question.
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୟାମେରା ଆଗରେ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ମୁଁ ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଛୋଟବେଳୁ ଜାଣିଛି ତ ଯୋଉଠି ସୁନି ସାମଲ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସକ୍ସେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ କିନ୍ତୁ ସୁନି ସାମଲ ଯୋଉଠିକି ବି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଲୋକ ମନେ ରଖନ୍ତି ସୁନି ସାମଲ ଆସିଛି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଭାବୁଛି କି ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ ଜିନିଷ ଗୋଟେ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ ଭିତରେ କି ଆପଣ କେମିତି ବିହେଭ୍ କରନ୍ତି ମନେ ହିଁ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ବିହେଭିୟର ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଥାଏ କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ବି ଦେଖିଛି सोनी को समस्ते माने रखते थैंक
you so much. Thank you so much for that and I'm really enjoyed this podcast with you Bhagyashree and ମୁଁ आशा करूची मु जहाँ कहबा को चाहूथिली जो पर्सपेक्टिव रे कहबा को चाहूथिली मु आशा करूची सेटा मु कहि पारिची बोली in case anyone has any questions or anyone needs any support I'm always welcome but I would expect people to be prepared when they start a conversation. When you have a generic conversation, it makes no sense for everyone. So let's have, good conversations across the table. And I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
You're doing so well, so wonderful. Like we all are proud of you. Not that so the kind of podcast that you have done, and all of it, and I also get to hear, what she's my sister. I remember putting a story like, how do you know her, and are you related? Are you promoting about the the person who has been into it? No, I'm not promoting. I'm promoting my sister.
Okay.
She's come for the show. So I think that's what true femininity for me is. Supporting each other in our journey, irrespective of where we come from, and making the world a more nice place to be. Yeah.
Thank you
so much.